Budol na naman ng Carby Titi. Tara na.
For this vlog, we will be sharing our travel adventures in the Asia's World City, Hong Kong.
Wow!
Happy na naman ang Mima ko. Mima ko nabusog na naman.
Airplane ulit.
Yeah, airplane mode ang ate ko.
Namumurot. Dala yung grad pick niya.
Grad pick ulit. Ang mahiwagang grad pick.
Dala ka ngayon.
Hindi. Chari. Ang Mima ko. Wala pa man din sa Hong Kong. Ayan na.
Wow!
Yes. Yes. Compare mo nga, Mi.
Mas maliit pa rin yung bag.
Mas maliit pa din. Ew. Uy!
Gusto lang.
Flights going to Hong Kong from Manila is approximately 2 hours.
Hong Kong. Oh, lokal. Lokal.
Upon arrival, just follow the arrow going to train for immigration.
Anong masasabi mo?
Hindi naman
Nangangain ng tanga dito.
Oh my God, totoo.
Yun na namin alam na may patrain ng immigration.
Totoo.
Tanong sa lokal.
Ito yung lokal, oh. Ay, lokal.
Ayan po, immigration.
Ayan.
Upon arrival at the immigration and arrival wing of the airport, there are booths where you can pick up your SIM cards, Octopus cards, and vouchers. You can book at Klook for more convenient transactions. Airport to hotel transfer is also easy since we booked our Hong Kong trip with San Roque LS Travel and Tour. We're staying at the 4-star Panda Hotel in Tuen Wan.
Wow!
A few minutes later.
Night stroll at Hong Kong.
Wow!
Hihilo na siya. Hilo ka na, Bina?
Sakit na naman ako tapos maaamoy mo pa yung amoy nila.
Oh, grabe ka. Baka-racist sa amoy. Ayan guys, naghanap kami ng kakainan namin dito sa may Tuen Wan. May makainan. Visit kakain.
Sa tite.
We just decided to taste local food near Panda Hotel, and we had our dinner here at Kui Chow Noodles Tuen Wan, just beside the Baker House. Landmark just in front of Panda Place.
Kumain kami dito. So hindi namin alam. Dasal-dasal na. Ito, nagkakasakit na. Ayan. So, order kami ng beef brisket na noodles, saka beef brisket na kanin.
Wow.
Ganun. Anong masasabi mo sa food?
Masarap.
Masarap siya?
Masarap ng meat.
Ha?
Malambot.
Ay. Okay.
Nasa normal.
Wow!
Food over.
Oo, totoo. Ikaw, Mima Sor. Masarap? Masarap. Bet mo na.
Lalo na bottom na parang napakasarap.
Kitang-kita naman ito, di ba? Ay, oo. Namumblema ng ate ko sa kutsara.
Kung ba yung galing?
Sarap. Nakakahiring lang yung noodles. Kasi dry na siya.
Malambot?
Malambot naman. Pero masarap.
Day 2.
Ito na kami ngayon sa bus namin.
Wow!
Ay, bus namin. Oh, parang inakit siya. Yan, oh, very filthy pang atake. Oh,
Wow!
Punta daw sa Virginia.
Punta kami sa Virginia.
Wow.
Tapos punta kami sa Enchanted Kingdom. Punta tayo, GSIS building. Yan. Ayan. So, mag-city tour na kami ngayon sa Hong Kong. Samahan nyo kami.
On this bus tour, you will get to see Hong Kong skyscrapers meets nature.
Wow.
This city tour is also made possible by San Roque LS Travel and Tour.
Meanwhile,
Austin Roadless.
Wow!
Tomboy Roadless. Tomboy.
May Austin MTR station.
Wow!
Ay, Austin MTR Station. Tomboy ka talaga ng taon. Very local.
Pag mga local talaga.
Oo.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Magandang umaga.
Magandang umaga.
How are you today?
We're fine.
Have you had breakfast? Some of you know. Okay. Now, anyway, okay, first of all, welcome to joining our
Are we supposed to
city tour today. Let me introduce myself. I am Yani, tourist guide from Continental Travel. So you know today Yani is the one. We'll go with you for the tour. So everybody, please don't forget my name. Something is very important. Guess something you cannot do in the bus. Let me tell you one by one. First one, you cannot do in the bus. Don't sleep. Why? Because today you join the tour. It's a city tour, not the sitting tour or sleeping tour. Okay, if you sleep in the bus, at the time when I tell you some information you don't know, but at the end of the tour, I will ask you back the question. So if you cannot answer my question, then I will have the package. Okay, you come back later. Make sure everybody you have enough time.
Bababa na kami ng bus.
Wow!
Asan tayo?
GSIS.
Yes. Ako nga brutalist eh. GSIS.
We are here at the M+ Artist Square, where we can see the beautiful landscapes and tallest buildings of Hong Kong.
Wow!
May mga artist daw ni. Paano yung artista?
Wow.
Parang ilagay yung shades. Opa! May kaso kami? Trangkaso.
Along the way to two of the tallest buildings in Hong Kong is the M+ Museum, which is the first global contemporary visual culture museum.
Wow.
Unfortunately, we are not able to go inside due to time constraints and schedule. This is the International Commerce Center. It was a 108-story, 484-meter supertall skyscraper in West Kowloon, Hong Kong, resting atop the Elements Mall and near to MTR stations. Second of the tallest landmark skyscraper in Hong Kong is the International Finance Center.
Wow.
This building is one of Hong Kong's leading business and leisure destinations, comprising a unique combination of prestigious offices, high-end shopping, and entertainment outlets, and Hong Kong's finest hotel.
Wow! Meanwhile,
Mi! Ano nangyari sa Hong Kong, Mi? Naghirap ka na, Mi. Yung pera, Mi.
Bayad ng ano. Ticket. Sorry. May takbo na dali.
Sabi ko yung gabili ng plato.
Trailer, please!
We are now here sa statue ni Bruce Lee.
wow!
Ito kami ngayon sa may Victoria Harbor. Ito siya. Tingnan nyo guys. Ayan. Dito nag-scene si ate mo Catherine sa may Avenue of the Stars. Okay. And this is Bruce Lee. Diba? Kabog. Okay ka muna Bruce Lee. Tingnan mo. Naka-Asia view.
Wow.
Our next and final destination for this city tour is Jewelry Factory and Pasalubong Shop.
Wow!
This is D. Drax Jewelry located in Hung Hom, Hong Kong. They are famous for selling the windmill pendant that is known for giving significant luck to those who wear it.
Wow!
Pumasok kami rin sa loob no jewelry shop or jewelry factory pero hindi siya pwede mag-video so wala akong video dun sa loob. And pupunta kami ngayon sa souvenir shop.
Galit ka pagkakasabi. Souvenir shop.
Yeah.
Parang bagyo.
Yeah. Wala naman kami nagagawa pa ngayon. Walang kwenta. Cheers.
This is the souvenir shop located at the Hock Yuan, just 1 to 2 minutes walk from the jewelry shop. They have plenty of Disney souvenirs, Hong Kong delicacies, t-shirts, and more.
May pretty thing.
Wow!
Isa lang?
Neo.
Hindi namin yan. Titis.
Pinsan lang to me. Free taste. Ano? Madali? Mukbang. Kita mo yun? Hala, mukbanger. Hala. Hala, mga suki oh. Ay, ano lang ka muna Hala, ate, suki ka na to ya. Uy, Mi. Nakailang ka ng balik. Dalawang yun, kanina pa yun oh. Napagkakalataan yung mga Pinoy.
Our half-day city tour was done, and we are now heading to Tsim Sha Tsui for our drop-off and lunch.
Here's our lunch.
Wow!
Yan na. After magmukbang, mukbang pa more sa free taste. Ayan. Ayan na. Real food.
Wow.
Tikman na. Pork. Ang sarap.
Wow!
Ang sarap ng flavor, B. Manok. Sarap din.
Wow.
Gusto yung duck? Sarap.
Pero medyo lasa ka tayo.
Wow.
Ating ba?
Yan, duck.
Wow.
Lasang chicken din. Ayoko na pala halo.
A few moments later.
We're going to the Nongping local.
We'll ride the MT, are going to Ingong Ping 360.
Nakapasok ka?
Wow.
Alabi, nakapasok ka sa immigration.
Wow.
Yes.
Pasok na sa immigration.
Totoo.
In this video, we are on TST station. We will ride the train going to Tsunwan and will go down onto Laking, interchange to Tungjung station.
One eternity later.
We're now here sa Tungchung MTR station. We're now going to the Nongping 360 cable car.
Wow.
Upon reaching Tungjung station, look for exit B to go to Ingong Ping 360 cable car. The entrance for the cable car is near the City Gate Outlets Mall.
We're now walking towards the Nongping 360. Nakainit dito, guys. Kung pupunta kayo, magdala kayo ng madaming sunblock.
Kasi hindi pa nilang sa kalsada, asfalto talaga.
Oo, grabe. Sobrang init. Alam mo yun, naglalakad ka sa BGC ng mga around 3 p.m. Girl, init.
Book this attraction at trip.com. Round trip standard cabin for only 1,497 and 36 pesos.
Wow.
Ano tayo punta ng Sentosa?
Ano tayo? Connecting flight, babe? Hala, ang ganda.
A chill ride going to the Ingong Ping village. Approximately 25 to 30 minutes from Tungjung station to the village.
Wow.
Along the way, you can see the boundaries of different cities of Hong Kong and nearby regions like Macau.
Wow.
Puro akot kami. Pero nakapag-dior yan.
Ano meron sa tuktok?
Mama mo.
Mama ko blue.
Tataas ulit, tataas ulit.
Kapag ganun, biglang gagawin.
I'm scared.
You can now see the Big Buddha, which means we are few more minutes till we reach our destination.
Wow.
A few inches later.
We have reached the village. Come and let's see the beauty of it.
So, bumili kami ng aming picture souvenir from Nongping. Ito siya, pakita mo ba? So, may libre siyang soft copy pag nag-purchase ka. So, pwede kahit isa lang bumili sa inyo. Ay, mimak. Ay, kinukuha ng langit. So, we're now heading to the Buddha. So, nakakatuwa lang. Ang ganda ng panahon, nakikisama sa amin.
Parang inadya talaga na
Makita namin at makonvert kami. Nani? May lang. Sama kami ngayon sa Nongping Village. Let's go.
Big Buddha is around 5 to 10 minutes walk from the cable car station.
Wow.
Along the pathway to Buddha, there are several animals in the area, like this carabao.
Wow.
May Chinese na ako nakitang mo.
Wow.
Kalabaw na Chinese.
Wow.
This is way towards the majestic outdoor bronze Buddha statue, sits solemnly atop the peak of Mount Mukyue. It is seated south and facing north towards Beijing, the capital of China.
Wow.
Visitors have to climb to 168 steps to reach the Buddha.
Wow.
Tayo, pupunta na kami sa loob. Ko-convert na ang lokal.
Binilang niya ba? Ilang?
Wag na. Pag nagbilang ka, lalo ka mapapagod. Nakakit namin ni. Ay, grabe. Tingnan mo naman yung view dito. Yan, bukod kay Buddha. Ang taas. Pagod ako.
Ramdam na ramdam mo yung edad mo.
We're going down. Thank you, Buddha.
We will take another 25 to 30 minutes cable car ride, going back to the Tungjung station, then back to our hotel.
Wow.
8:01 p.m.
Try kami ngayon ng KFC.
May mini bucket of fries ka.
Mini bucket. Oh, fuck. Ice cream, Ice cream.
Wow.
Soft drink.
Iba yung soft drinks, oh. Parang anti-spill.
Wow!
Ah, lakado.
Wow!
Today we're going to Macau! Me approved ka na naman. Approved. Oo, kalahati ng mukha. Let it go!